And here's a closer look of those fruit trees. They are just growing. I planted these in the spring, so next spring I should have a bountiful harvest of fruit. So after 2 years of waiting, I'm going to show you what my kiwi plant looks like now. The leaves are full, and I've been kind of pruning it. This kiwi plant grows like crazy, and I want to kind of keep it contained in this small area. Comment down below if you think that I will receive fruit this season. I'm hoping, crossing fingers. Checking it out. I'm just waiting. Now let's check out my Russian pomegranate tree. This is the first year, and I will show you what it looks like after the second year. My Russian pomegranate tree. Next to it, oh, I got a little dahlia, but right next to it is my wonderful pomegranate tree. This is my first time growing a pomegranate tree. It's so exciting, and I'm looking forward to hopefully getting blossoms this season, and of course pomegranate fruit. Show you what it looked like before and what it looks like now. The birds are chirping, the sun is shining, and my Meyer lemon fruit tree. I'm so excited to be growing lemons, limes in the garden, key lime. I have 2 different variety of limes, and just sharing. Again, it's a beautiful day. I wanted to do a quick little update on my fruit trees, and then I am going to enjoy the rest of the day with my family. And I hope that you are outdoors gardening or just relaxing and enjoying the fruits of your labor. So as soon as I get blossoms, I will be sure to share that video update. Again, we're looking at the wonderful pomegranate, and here is another lime tree, Mexican lime tree. And here we have a lemon tree, which is doing very well. I'm going to smoke a little bit of chicken, so I'm going to get some rosemary and add that for seasoning. And now for some family time and pool time, I'm getting ready to smoke just a couple of chicken legs for my husband and I in the smoker. I'll let you see a little clip of me preparing it, putting it in the smoker, and then I'll let you go. Family time is always fun. Come on, let's go inside. I get the chicken prepared again for some smoked chicken. My onion powder, the lemon pepper, a little bit of Famous Dave's country roast chicken seasoning, which is really good, by the way. Pepper. And then I'm going to add a little bit of pink salt. All right, and it smells so good. And I'm going to add just a little bit of melted unsalted butter. And then I'm going to put my rosemary on top. I'm making this for my husband. I did leave one skin, and that is just for the flavor. Tuck one of the rosemaries inside. So whatever your preference, some people like to leave the skin on their chicken. I'm just gonna leave that, and then I'll just add one on each one, and again it's gonna smoke, and the flavor is just gonna be so good. So this is rosemary that I added. Feel free to add thyme. You can even cut up some onions. You can add garlic, however you want to season your chicken. This is a fun Sunday, a quick, easy meal. My family's gonna jump in the pool, and as we're swimming, is going to be in the cooker. Yummy. It smells so good, and you can see the rosemary. Bon appetit. As usual, I always have fun with you in my garden. Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy.